Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking about what are those documents that you need to get set for you to be able to carry out registration for your trustee. So let's say for instance, you have a trustee, non-name reservation, been approved, the name reservation approved, you're able to fill the form and everything. Now you don't know, get ready for you to be able to carry out your or to complete your registration. Here's a video that details everything that you need to prepare for it. The first thing you need to do is carry out newspaper publication. You can carry out newspaper publication with different newspaper agency. The condition for that is to make sure that that newspaper agency is located in, is available, or the newspaper publisher is available within the area that this Incorporated Trustee is going to be, right? So for instance, these are list of Incorporated Trustee that available here. You can see all of them showing up here for this particular newspaper. So how do you get the newspaper publication? For instance, this is a newspaper publication. You would notice that in this newspaper, this is the full newspaper. It is quite heavy and bogus. And the question is that how does CSE get search through and know the business you have that you are actually publishing for, right? You can see different other applications on this particular platform, different other publications. What you need to do is this: when uploading, you upload the first page. The first page carries the name of the newspaper, as you can see here. For instance, this one it says West African Business Paper, and then you must also take a snapshot of this page, right? And also take a snapshot of the page where your business or the Incorporated Trustee is showing up, and make sure the page number is showing as well, and the date is also showing as well. These informations are very important. Look at it now. Look at the way I did this. So for this one now, I had to take a screenshot of the first newspaper. The essence of this is for them to be able to know the name of the newspaper and the date that the publication was done. Once that is done, the next page should be a page where my publication is showing up, right? So, and it's showing the page of the page of the publication. It's also showing the date of the publication to corroborate what you have in the first page, right? So also, I will now zoom in those for them, because in this page it might not be, when they zoom in, it is possible that they might not be able to read through. You can see that it has blurred out, right? So, but they can still see it scanting. So that's why in the next page now, I go into zoom into the details. So it makes it easier for them to read details and be able to see the information I'm trying to pass across. Right? So you do the same thing for the first newspaper publication, and do the same thing for the second newspaper publication. So it's quite straightforward for newspaper publication. You don't have to upload all the old document of the two newspaper publications. Just take a snapshot of the first page. Just take a snapshot of the first page where your business or your Incorporated Trustee is showing up. Take a screenshot and demarcate. Take a note. You can see that I use a red mark to note the particular trustee, right? And then I did that again when after zooming in. I did that here for the first page here. I also did that selecting the page number and everything, and then I also zoomed in and specified the particular registration I'm interested in. Right? So once you do that, then you can upload your newspaper publication. I hope that's clear. The next thing I also want to show you is what we call the declaration form. This is a trustee declaration form, and this trustee declaration form, I've made a video before now, and I'm sharing it here on how you can fill this, right? On how you can edit this particular form. If you have a professional, able to fill this directly from Excel, from PDF, right? You can fill this directly from PDF. But if not, you just have to use CorelDRAW to do it. I showed in my video. I showed you how I use CorelDRAW. But meanwhile, this is how you'll be filling it. Here it will be the name, name of the trustee. So you do this for each of the trustee. Here you show the number, house number. Let's say number 5, right? The street, let's say Yola Street, right? So for the city, let's say Gombe. This is not a personal information. This is just random information. Local government, let's say GLG, right? Let's say, right? So let's say telephone number of the particular trustee. Email address, put the email address of the trustee, and then of a trustee of, now you now put the name of and here you attach the passport. That's where you might get having difficulty attaching a passport, but you fix the passport here after you are done. And then you must make sure it is typed. You cannot use biro to write it or print it out and use biro to write it. No, CSC wants you to type it out, right? And then here, once you put the passport, client will sign around this particular area. The client should sign around. When the client does that, then you take it to any court for them to attest to it, right? So for any oath commissioner to attest to it. So I provide these services actually. If you're somebody that is very busy, you can reach out to me, help you get it attested. Just fill in the details, attach the ID card, scan it, and then send it across to me. We'll get it done for you here, and then send it across back to you. Our trustee is 3,000 naira as at the time of making this video. To go up or go low when you reach out eventually, right? So you fill in those details, and then you can go ahead with the filing process. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. So it's quite easy, but I will advise you, if you have a court around your area, just go ahead to the court, and then once you show up to the court, present printed colored copy. So most times black and white is acceptable anyway, but sometimes I prefer to do it in colored for easy documentation and all, right? Once you're done with that, you do it for each of the trustee members, and then you upload as well. That's the second document that's very important. The third document that is also very important, okay, this is the newspaper I've talked about it, is the ID card, right? You must make sure you arrange all the ID cards of the members of the board of trustees on a page, and then when you arrange them, you are on different pages, right? All the ID, blurring the details of the personal information, right? And I'm not sharing it with the public. So the next thing you also need to consider, I have a template. This template is actually available, so just click on the link below to get access to this template that I'm sharing with you now, right? So mostly it's paid for, but once you click on it, you can get a DM. I will send you the template, because it's not everyone that know how to draft the template for the meeting, right? For a meeting with a minute of the meeting of an incorporated trustee. So those are the few details of the information you have. So the remaining details will be the signature, what's it called now? Maybe the passport photograph, and any other video. I hope this video is very helpful. So give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Ezekiel. I'll see you in other videos. Thank you.